See this empty chair? It represents the missed opportunities when you lack confidence. Let's change that. If you want to stop being overlooked and start being noticed, you need to hear this. By the end of this video, you will know the 3 secrets to instantly boost your confidence and charisma. In the grand tapestry of human experience, there exists a skill so pivotal that it can redefine the course of our lives. This skill is not merely an attribute, but a transformative force that shapes our character, relationships, and success. It is the light that guides us through the darkest times, the anchor that steadies us amidst life's tumultuous waves. This skill is confidence. Confidence is not simply a mindset, but a way of life. It is the quiet assurance in our abilities to face life's challenges, the inner strength that helps us overcome destructive emotions, and the fortitude that allows us to navigate life with grace and resilience. Confidence is the cornerstone of self-improvement, and its cultivation is within everyone's reach. Number 1. The power of self-control. At the heart of confidence lies self-control. The ability to master our emotions and reactions forms the bedrock of a confident life. Self-control is not about suppressing our emotions, but understanding and managing them effectively. The ancient philosopher Seneca wisely stated, "Most powerful is he who has himself in his own power." This self-mastery enables us to navigate life's complexities with poise and assurance. One of the most profound examples of self-control is Nelson Mandela. Imprisoned for 27 years, Mandela faced unimaginable hardships. However, he did not let anger or despair control him. Instead, he maintained his composure, using his time in prison to reflect, learn, and prepare for a future in which he would lead South Africa to freedom. His self-control not only fortified his confidence, but also inspired millions around the world, demonstrating the power of maintaining control over one's emotions in even the most trying circumstances. Mandela's ability to control his emotions allowed him to engage in productive dialogue with his oppressors. This eventually led to the dismantling of apartheid and his election as South Africa's first black president. His life is a testament to how self-control can cultivate inner strength and confidence, enabling us to effect positive change in our lives and the lives of others. This extraordinary level of self-discipline and emotional mastery showcases how self-control can elevate our personal and collective strength, fostering an environment where true confidence can flourish. In our daily lives, we can practice self-control through mindful breathing. When faced with stress or anger, taking a moment to breathe deeply and center ourselves can prevent impulsive reactions. For instance, in a heated work meeting, pausing to take a few deep breaths can help us respond with clarity and composure, enhancing our confidence and professionalism. Over time, this practice becomes a habit, strengthening our ability to maintain self-control in various situations. Number 2. Overcoming destructive emotions. Destructive emotions such as anger, fear, envy, and doubt can cloud our judgment and erode our confidence. To build unshakable confidence, we must learn to overcome these emotions. Aristotle, the great philosopher, taught that the ideal man bears the accidents of life with dignity and grace, making the best of circumstances. This wisdom reminds us that our emotions are not dictated by external events, but by our interpretations of those events. J.K. Rowling, the renowned author of the Harry Potter series, faced numerous rejections before achieving success. She was a struggling single mother, battling depression and financial hardship. However, she did not let these destructive emotions defeat her. Instead, she channeled her experiences into her writing, creating one of the most beloved literary series of all time. Rowling's ability to overcome her destructive emotions not only built her confidence, but also transformed her life and the lives of millions of readers. Rowling's story illustrates how reframing our perspective on adversity can foster resilience and confidence. By viewing her rejections as opportunities to improve her work, rather than as personal failures, she maintained the determination needed to succeed. Her journey underscores the importance of overcoming negative emotions to build lasting confidence. A practical technique for overcoming destructive emotions is cognitive reframing. This involves changing the way we perceive and interpret our experiences. For example, if we receive critical feedback at work, instead of viewing it as a personal attack, we can see it as an opportunity for growth. By shifting our perspective, we transform negative emotions into positive ones, fostering resilience and self-assurance. This practice can be applied in various aspects of life, from professional challenges to personal relationships, enhancing our overall confidence. To implement cognitive reframing, we can start by identifying recurring negative thoughts and challenging their validity. For instance, if we find ourselves thinking, "I am not good enough," we can counter this thought with evidence of our past achievements and strengths. Keeping a journal where we record these negative thoughts and their positive reframes can be a helpful tool in this process. Over time, this practice trains our minds to adopt a more optimistic and resilient outlook, bolstering our confidence and ability to handle life's challenges with grace. Number 3. The discipline of consistent action. Confidence is not built through grand gestures or dramatic changes, but through the discipline of consistent action. It is the small, daily choices that reflect our highest selves that form the foundation of our confidence. Lao Tzu, the ancient philosopher, said, "A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." By setting clear intentions and following through with deliberate actions, we build a track record of competence and reliability. Michael Jordan, often regarded as the greatest basketball player of all time, exemplifies the discipline of consistent action. Despite his natural talent, Jordan was known for his relentless work ethic. He famously said, "I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times, I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeed." Jordan's success was not just a result of his talent, but of his unwavering commitment to daily practice and improvement. Jordan's story teaches us that consistent action builds confidence. Each day, he honed his skills, learning from his failures and persisting despite setbacks. This relentless dedication not only improved his performance, but also strengthened his belief in his abilities. His journey is a powerful reminder that confidence is cultivated through disciplined, consistent effort. Jordan's approach to failure is particularly enlightening. Instead of viewing his missed shots and lost games as defeats, he saw them as valuable learning experiences. This mindset allowed him to continuously refine his skills and strategies, ultimately leading to his extraordinary success. Jordan's career highlights the importance of embracing failure as a natural part of the growth process and using it as fuel to drive consistent improvement. In our own lives, we can build confidence through the discipline of consistent action by setting and achieving daily goals. These goals need not be monumental. They can be simple, yet meaningful actions that align with our values and aspirations. For instance, committing to a daily exercise routine, reading a book for 30 minutes, or practicing a new skill each day can create a sense of accomplishment and progress. Over time, these small actions accumulate, reinforcing our confidence and driving us toward larger achievements. To cultivate charisma through confidence, we can focus on authentic interactions. This involves being present, listening actively, and expressing ourselves honestly. For example, in a professional setting, taking the time to understand colleagues' perspectives and offering genuine feedback can enhance our charisma. In personal relationships, being vulnerable and open about our feelings fosters deeper connections. By consistently practicing authenticity, we not only build our confidence, but also create an environment of trust and respect, enhancing our charisma. Confidence is the most important skill for improving your life. It is the foundation of self-control, the ability to overcome destructive emotions, and the discipline of consistent action. By cultivating confidence, we unlock our potential, radiate charisma, and navigate life with resilience and grace. Through real-life examples like Nelson Mandela, J.K. Rowling, and Michael Jordan, we see how self-control, overcoming destructive emotions, and consistent action can transform lives. These principles are not just theoretical. They are practical tools we can apply in our daily lives. As we weave these threads of wisdom into the fabric of our existence, we create a tapestry of strength, resilience, and grace. We become beacons of confidence and charisma, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and empowerment. Let us walk this path together, embracing the small changes that lead to big results. By doing so, we unlock the full potential of our inner selves, stepping boldly into the light of our true potential, and shining with the brilliance of confidence and charisma that comes from a deep, unshakable inner strength.